If you work on electric cars today, there's one piece of data that really makes a difference: the battery's state of health, also known as SOH, state of health. I'm Diego Menardi, Product Manager for the TechPRO Line at MAHLE Aftermarket. SOH is fundamental information when a customer wants to buy or sell a used electric car, but also when they come into the workshop for a checkup or an evaluation. But what exactly is SOH? In simple terms, the state of health indicates how much useful capacity the battery still has and how it performs today compared to when it was new. A new battery has an SOH of 100%. Over time and with use, this value decreases. And it's precisely this data that tells us how efficient a battery still is. Let's take a simple example. Two used electric cars, identical in model and mileage. One has a state of health of 80% and the other 95%. It's clear that the second car has more value and, above all, offers greater safety and confidence to the buyer. Thanks to TechPRO 2 and the e-scan function, you can measure the battery's state of health quickly, clearly, and with a simple report. And above all, from now on, you can do it according to the CARA standard. But what is CARA? CARA, Car Remarketing Association Europe, is a leading European association for vehicle remarketing, that is, the sale of used cars. Since 2015, CARA has defined European standards for evaluating electric vehicle batteries in collaboration with technical bodies like TÜV and major industry partners. Being CARA accredited means working according to criteria recognized at the European level. For the customer, it means transparency and trust. For the vehicle, it means protecting its residual value. And what does all this mean for you in the workshop? It means that with TechPRO 2 e-scan, you're using a tool that meets CARA requirements. The diagnosis takes less than 2 minutes, no test drive is needed, and coverage includes up to 90% of European BEV models by 2025. The report is based on official manufacturer data. Let's see how it works in practice. Simple, you connect the TechPRO 2 to the vehicle and start the e-scan function. In just a few moments, the tool reads the battery pack data and generates the state of health report with clear, reliable, and certified information. For full electric vehicles, known as BEVs, a CARA Approved report is generated, which is easy to share with the customer. For you, this means offering an additional service, increasing the value of your work, and distinguishing yourself in the used electric car market. For dealers, fleets, and end customers, it means being able to count on a reliable assessment recognized throughout Europe. The CARA certification is not just a logo, it's credibility. It's compliance with European standards, it's a real competitive advantage. In conclusion, with TechPRO 2 through the e-scan function, you have a solution to check the health status of high-voltage batteries directly in your workshop. Furthermore, and this is the fundamental thing, it issues a CARA-certified report for full electric vehicles. MAHLE TechPRO Line, eCare Fluid, EAL Charge, e-scan, your workshop solution for electric vehicles.